Dragonflies are among the most captivating and ancient insects on Earth. With their iridescent wings, acrobatic flight, and striking eyes, they have inspired myths, fascinated scientists, and played critical ecological roles for over 300 million years. In this comprehensive explanation, we'll delve into the fascinating world of dragonflies, from their evolutionary history to their modern-day ecological significance. Dragonflies belong to the order Odonata, which is divided into two main suborders. Anisoptera, the true dragonflies, which have broad hind wings and rest with their wings open. Zygoptera, damselflies, which are typically more slender and rest with wings folded. While both share similar life cycles and habitats, dragonflies are generally more robust, faster flyers, and more aggressive predators. There are more than 5,000 known species of dragonflies globally, with tropical regions having the greatest diversity. Physical characteristics. Size and shape. Dragonflies vary in size depending on species, ranging from 2.5 centimeters to 15 centimeters in wingspan. They have elongated bodies, powerful wings, and large compound eyes that cover most of their head. Eyes. One of the most notable features is their compound eyes, made up of up to 30,000 individual lenses, ommatidia. These provide nearly 360-degree vision, essential for spotting prey and avoiding predators. Wings. Each dragonfly has two pairs of wings that can move independently, allowing for hovering, flying backward, high-speed dives. Some can fly at speeds of 30 to 60 km per hour. Coloration. Dragonflies display a range of vibrant colors, blues, greens, metallic hues, which often intensify as they mature. These colors play roles in mate attraction, camouflage, and species identification. Habitat and distribution. Dragonflies are found on every continent except Antarctica. Their preferred habitats are areas with fresh water, such as ponds, lakes, rivers, marshes, wetlands. The presence of clean, unpolluted water is crucial, as their larval stage, nymphs, is aquatic. Microhabitats. Different species prefer different environments. Open sunlit ponds, for basking species. Forested streams, for shade-loving species. Fast-flowing rivers, for strong-swimming larvae. 4. Life cycle and metamorphosis. Dragonflies undergo incomplete metamorphosis, hemimetabolous development, which includes 3 stages. 1. Egg stage. Laid in or near water. Female dragonflies may insert eggs into plant tissue or drop them directly into water. 2. Nymph stage, aquatic. Lasts several months to 5 years depending on species and climate. Nymphs are fierce predators, feeding on tadpoles, mosquito larvae, and even small fish. Equipped with a prehensile jaw, labium, that shoots out to grab prey. They molt multiple times, sometimes over 10 to 15 molts. 3. Adult stage. Upon final molt, the nymph climbs out of the water and transforms. The adult emerges in a vulnerable, soft form and expands its wings before hardening. Adults live a few weeks to several months, depending on species. Behavior and ecology. Hunting and diet. Dragonflies are voracious carnivores. Adults eat mosquitoes, flies, moths, butterflies, and even other dragonflies. Their success rate in hunting is nearly 95%, making them one of nature's most efficient predators. They catch prey mid-flight using their legs as a basket. Mating rituals. Mating involves a unique will position, where the male grasps the female behind her head. The female curls her abdomen forward to receive sperm. After mating, the male often guards the female to prevent other males from mating with her, a behavior called mate guarding. Territoriality. Male dragonflies are highly territorial, often patrolling and defending their chosen pond or stream area from rivals. Evolutionary history. Dragonflies are among the oldest insects still in existence, with fossils dating back over 300 million years, predating dinosaurs. Prehistoric dragonflies. Ancient relatives like Meganeura had wingspans of up to 70 centimeters. Such large sizes were possible due to higher atmospheric oxygen levels, 35% compared to today's 21%. Evolutionary success. Despite changes in size, modern dragonflies retain many ancestral traits, including the basic wing structure and predatory behavior. Ecological importance. Dragonflies serve multiple ecological roles. As predators, they control populations of mosquitoes and other flying insects. Nymphs keep aquatic ecosystems in balance by preying on larvae and smaller organisms. As prey, they are food for birds, frogs, fish, spiders, and even larger dragonflies. As bioindicators, dragonflies are indicators of ecosystem health, especially water quality. The presence of diverse species often signals clean, well-functioning freshwater systems. Threats and conservation. Despite their resilience, dragonflies face growing threats. Habitat loss. Wetlands and water bodies are drained for agriculture, industry, or urban expansion. Pollution. Pesticides, fertilizers, and heavy metals degrade water quality, affecting nymph survival. Climate change alters water availability, season timing, and habitat conditions. Conservation measures. Wetland protection and clean water initiatives are vital. Some countries have dragonfly monitoring programs and species conservation lists. Citizen science initiatives help track population trends. Cultural significance. Myths and folklore. Dragonflies have inspired many beliefs worldwide. Japan, symbol of courage, strength, and happiness. Native American tribes, represent swiftness and illusion. Europe, medieval associated with the devil, called devil's darning needle, due to superstitions. Sweden, believed dragonflies would so shut the eyes or mouths of liars and scolded children. Art and symbolism. Widely featured in Art Nouveau jewelry and paintings. Often symbolize transformation, adaptability, and lightness of being in modern spiritual thought. Unique facts about dragonflies. 360-degree vision. Dragonflies can see almost everything around them, except for a tiny blind spot directly behind. Top predators in flight, their aerial agility makes them more efficient hunters than lions. Independent wings, each wing can be moved separately, allowing unmatched flight control. Temperature regulation, they sunbathe to warm up their flight muscles before flying. Migratory species, some, like the Globe Skimmer, Pantala flavescens, migrate thousands of kilometers across oceans. Hydraulic legs, their legs cannot walk, they use them only to perch or catch prey. Eyes make up most of their head, their massive compound eyes give them an alien appearance. No stingers, dragonflies cannot sting and are harmless to humans. High-speed dives. Some can dive faster than 50 km per hour to snatch prey or escape danger. Ancient origins, dragonflies are older than dinosaurs and have changed little over millennia. Dragonflies and science. Dragonflies have influenced research in aerodynamics. Their flight has inspired biomimetic robotics and drone design. Neuroscience. Their visual tracking systems help in understanding motion detection and neural prediction. Ecotoxicology. As water-dependent insects, they are used in assessing freshwater pollution levels. Conclusion. Dragonflies are not just beautiful summer visitors. They are apex aerial predators, bioindicators of ecological health, and ancient survivors of Earth's changing climate. From their shimmering wings to their lethal hunting style, dragonflies exemplify the wonders of adaptation and evolution. Their presence in wetlands signals balance, their decline warns of ecological instability. As stewards of the planet, preserving dragonflies means protecting the very waters and skies we all depend on. In every flight, every glint of sunlight on their wings, dragonflies carry a legacy older than the forests, and a message for the future. Global myths about dragonflies. Sweden, Devil's Needle. In Swedish folklore, dragonflies are called skamsbissman or devil's measuring tool. It was believed that dragonflies would so shut the eyes, ears, or mouths of people who lied, cursed, or spoke ill of others. Parents often used this tale to warn children to behave properly. Japan, symbol of courage and victory. Dragonflies are revered in Japan. They symbolize courage, strength, happiness. Samurai warriors admired dragonflies for their speed and agility. One legend tells of an emperor bitten by a horsefly. A dragonfly swiftly killed the fly, and from that day, the emperor named Japan the Island of the Dragonfly. Native American myths. Among many Native American tribes, dragonflies represent change and transformation, illusion and dreams, swift movement of thought. The Navajo believe that dragonflies are the symbol of pure water. For some tribes, they are considered spirits of the dead or messengers from the spirit world. Europe, ominous creatures. In medieval Europe, dragonflies were often feared and called devil's darning needle, horse stinger, snake doctor. People believed that dragonflies would so shut the mouths of liars or sting horses, though dragonflies don't sting at all. These ideas likely arose from their needle-like shape and fast movement. China, summer spirits. In Chinese culture, dragonflies are associated with summer and renewal, elegance and prosperity. Some beliefs link them to quick joy and fleeting moments, suggesting their beauty is a reminder to live in the present. Modern spiritual symbolism. In modern spiritual beliefs, dragonflies symbolize transformation, adaptability, emotional maturity, connection with light and the subconscious. Seeing a dragonfly is often interpreted as a message of personal growth, a reminder to embrace change, or even as a spiritual guide from the afterlife.